I've got some good news coming out of Seminole County. The state attorney there has decided to do their own DUI First Offender Program. Now, Orange County, Osceola County, they have a DUI First Offender Program way better than Seminole County's. That'll be a topic for another day. But Seminole County's program is still pretty good. It's not the easiest thing to get into and manipulate, but that's what attorneys are for. Let me tell you what the DUI program is all about. Of course, this has to be your first DUI. The next thing is they divide this program up into two tiers. They're not going to drop your DUI as part of this first offender program in Seminole County, but they are going to reduce the charge to a reckless driving, what we call a reckless driving alcohol related. Depending on what happened on your DUI will depend what tier, as they call it, you'll enter. The first tier is for the people, what they call tier 1, and that's for the people that have blown under a 0.15. If you've blown under a 0.15, here's what the program will do for you. First, it'll take that nasty DUI and it'll reduce it down to reckless driving. Next, you're not going to be convicted of the reckless driving. You're going to get what they call a withhold of adjudication. Then they're going to put you on 6 months of probation, where you're going to have to do the DUI school, the victim awareness program, and 20 hours of community service. Plus, you're going to have about $500 in fines and miscellaneous stuff to pay. That's tier 1 for the under 0.15 people. Tier 2 is the upgrade. It's not 6 months probation like tier 1. It's going to be 9 months of probation. So tier 2 is for the people that blew over a 0.15 or for the people that refused. You're going to do 9 months of probation, but you're still getting your DUI reduced to reckless driving. You're still getting your withhold of adjudication. You still got to do the DUI school, the victim awareness program, and you've got to do 50 hours of community service, not 20. You still have the same amount of fines and miscellaneous costs. They're also going to add to the tier 2 guys and gals a 10-day vehicle impoundment or immobilization. That means your car gets a boot on it for 10 days, or that means you take your car to a nasty tow lot for 10 days. However you want to do it, you're going to be without that DUI car for 10 days. They don't care. You can still drive for those 10 days. Just got to borrow a friend's car. You just have to rent a car, but you're not driving the car that you got the DUI in. Something else to think about, the beauty of Seminole County's first-time DUI program, you're getting a withhold. No conviction on your record for reckless driving, no points on your record for reckless driving, and we get to step in at the end of probation and erase the whole thing like it didn't even happen. We call that a sealing, and this case qualifies for sealing, so that's a beautiful thing.